In this video, I'll show you how to play Warframe Mobile using a PS5 controller. Now first things first, you have to connect your PS5 controller to your mobile device. So all you have to do is put it into pairing mode and then connect it to your device via Bluetooth. So let me just put this controller into pairing mode. Now once the controller is in pairing mode, all you have to do is access the Bluetooth settings on your device. So simply go to settings and then access Bluetooth settings. And then within the Bluetooth settings, it will now scan for any available Bluetooth devices, So scroll down until you find the available devices section, and then it should automatically detect the PS5 controller or the DualSense wireless controller. So tap on it to begin the pairing process. And you'll also receive a prompt, pair with that particular DualSense wireless controller. Simply select pair, and now the controller will be paired to your device. Now once it's paired, all you have to do is go back to the game, and now you can play the game using your PS5 controller. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.